recording. What's up, YouTube? Hakuna Matata. I'm recording. Guys, I'm actually recording. Are you being mean to the viewers? Are you flexing on the viewers? I'm actually recording. No joke. Oh yeah? No one's gonna watch your video because you don't have any channel. You're insane, Jarvis! I'm Jervis. I'm Jervis. I'm Jervis. I'm not Jarvis, I'm Jervis. I'm Jervis. You're insane, Jervis. Why? Oh! That's all that cares. Do you believe me that I'm recording, Zeph, or no? I'm recording. I'm recording. They exposed me. No! How dare you? I thought you were my friends. You're just some retard. FIFAs. You're a bunch of FIFAs. You are FIFAs. Stop! Stop! Hell no! Why? Why are you aiming for me? It's like I'm your target. Target. Kill Thomas. You suck, Robbie. Yeah, you took fall damage. You suck. You took fall damage. Oh! I feel like I'm gonna get demonetized for this. I'm gonna get demonetized. I'm gonna get demonetized. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna get demonetized after this. This is one of the worst video ideas ever. Playing with Robbie and Zeph. Welcome. Hey na, boy. Hey na. I ain't part of this. I don't know. How do you shoot? Do you press a button? Guys, I have a question. I'm gonna get demonetized for this question. Guys, I have a question. I'm gonna get demonetized for this question. How come when you press your belly button, nothing happens? It's a button. What? It's got a button, right? I'm gonna get demonetized. So hell. Frick, I'm dead. I'm gonna get demonetized. No! No! I'm gonna get demonetized. Guys, why can't you answer my question? How come when you press your belly button, nothing happens? What? It's a button? How come nothing happens? Right? It's a button? Wait, Robbie, you said belly button. You said belly button. Belly. You said belly button. Belly is a button.